scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Chromatography questions are actually super easy if you understand polarity. Let's solve this chemistry problem together and find the correct answer in just 60 seconds. First, we look at the mobile phase, which is nonpolar. In paper chromatography, nonpolar molecules will move much faster and further because they have a higher affinity for that nonpolar liquid. Next, remember that the paper itself is polar. This means polar pigments will stick to the paper more, resulting in a shorter distance traveled and a much lower retention factor overall. Since pigment A has a lower retention factor than B, it is more polar. Option B is the final winner for this chemistry problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing polarity rules and trust given retention factors to find the answer.